The Autofold AF516 Space Saver is our entry-level product. However, this machine easily meets the needs of the larger sheet metal contractor, with production capabilities in excess of 300 running feet of duct per hour. The Autofold AF516 Space Saver only requires a floor space of 6.5 feet or 2 meters in width by 14 feet or 4.2 meters in length. The machine ships in a single piece, making installation and relocation quick and easy. There is no need for pneumatic lines, and the machine only requires one power drop. Take a look at the standard features of the AF516 SS. The capacity to handle up to 5 feet of 1.6mm gauge mild steel, a unitized single-piece frame, 2 10,000-pound or 5 metric tons of expanding coil mandrels with the range of 19-inch to 27-inch ID coils, leveler, beater, notches to handle both S and drive duct, and TDF, TDC duct, folded to produce L, U, or fully wrapped sections of duct, shear, and an interactive control, allowing even the most inexperienced operator to program the machine. The only options available on the Space Saver are extra coil holders and the addition of Mill Pittsburgh, gauge counter, and the capability to download from map software. You will not find a coil line on the market that will turn your initial purchase investment into profits faster than the Autofold Space Saver. The next generation Autofold AF516 SEE side eject expandable coil line. This coil line can be expanded to meet the needs of your company now as well as years into the future. With the purchase of all of our options, including the downstream dual head flagler, duct flange, and additional fully wrapped brake, the Autofold AF516 DM duct maker system is born. This is our introduction of a coil line that will produce fully wrapped duct and apply roll-on duct connector without the assistance of an operator. Let me take you through the growth process of the productive Autofold AF516 SEE system. Starting in the coil section, you can choose from several options. Overfed non-powered coil holders are standard. This material delivery system has proven to be a very efficient, reliable way to deliver coil stock to the rear of the coil line. 2 coils are standard, and optional coils can be purchased as required. Optional coil selector stations, power coil drive assemblies, and underfed coil holders are available. Hydraulically driven pinch rolls and adjustable leveling rolls pull the coil into the machine. Beading rolls are manually adjusted through the hand crank located on the side of the machine. All pinch rolls, leveling rolls, and beading rolls are gear driven with no need for chains that loosen over time. Once the material exits the beading rolls, it moves under the combination V and corner notch tools that allow notching not only for S and drive duct but also for FDC flagler duct connector. The notch location is measured by a closed loop encoder count with the Autofold controller. After the notch, the blank is fed into the standard combination shear and folder, where flat blanks are produced. Male Pittsburgh locks are formed as well as L, U, or fully wrapped sections of duct. Once again, this is all handled by the user-friendly CNC control. From this point on is where the Autofold AF516 SEE really begins to become customer application driven through the addition of any or all of the following options: dual head drive cleats, a male snap lock die set, a female Pittsburgh roll former, large or small Pittsburgh, or a combination female Pittsburgh snap lock roll former that allows the roll forming head to be changed automatically by the CNC controller without any assistance of the operator. And the newest addition to the Autofold lineup is the duct maker traversed duct connector system. The addition of this section includes the flagler dual head duct flange connector machine that comes in an FDC or FDF configuration. This system incorporates 3 additional transfer tables with a ball screw feed system and an additional downstream full wrap brake. A properly configured Autofold AF SEE duct maker allows the production of duct in just about any current configuration without being touched by an operator. Flat sheets, L sections of S and drive duct with Pittsburgh or snap lock seams. Fully wrapped sections of S and drive duct with Pittsburgh or snap lock seams. L sections of FDC, FDF duct with Pittsburgh or snap lock seams. Fully wrapped sections of FDC, FDF duct with Pittsburgh or snap-lock seams. Not only will you find the Autofold to be the most productive coil line in its class, as always, you will find it to be the most competitive. And the other major benefit of the Autofold duct maker coil line is the very compact footprint, which is still the smallest in the industry at 16 by 30 or 4.8 meters by 9.1 meters.